There are 3 ways to influence your dream client to pay you for your coaching where they crave what you have to offer. Number 3 is the worst way, is that you tell them that you will solve their problem. This is like bragging, and this is what most coaches do. And it sounds like, hey, I'm awesome, come coach with me, I'll get you results. Number 2 is that you have other people tell them that you will solve their problem. This is like a testimonial, and that could work too. But do you want a foolproof way that gives you instant authority and where your dream clients crave what you have to offer? Is that number 1, you demonstrate that you can solve their problem by solving their problem first. You demonstrate that you can help them by actually helping them. The old way of doing business is that you make your offer first, then you solve their problem. That's the old way. The new way is that you solve their problem first and you make the offer second. And I really like this new way. It's because you're establishing trust. You're establishing integrity. So here's an example of it in action, right? So on social media, when you post content, you give away like one of your very best pieces for free, and then at the end of it, you have a call to action that says, hey, if you found that valuable, sign up for my lead magnet. Hey, if you found that valuable, sign up for a strategy session. Hey, if you found that valuable, sign up for something that takes them to the next step of your funnel. Here's what I did, right? So on this little example, I made a video, and it was like one of my very best things that I gave away for free. And at the end of it, I had a call to action. And I said, hey, if you like this video, sign up for my free training.
If you want to learn how to fill up your schedule with paid clients and sell your products and services, type yes in the comments below, and I'll send you a free training immediately. Type yes.
And check this out, I had 70 people in the comments saying yes, they wanted my training. So I had like 70 leads off of that one social media post, right? That's pretty cool, right? Here's another example. In your emails, like when people sign up for my free stuff, they get a series of emails. This is one of my emails. So in the email, I give value, but look at this. At the very end, after I give value, I have 2 offers, right? I have, hey, like if you haven't watched my masterclass, go ahead and check this out. And then I can say, click here. Hey, if you're ready for the challenge, actually, why don't you just come work with me personally? Here's another example in my blog articles, and you could do this in your blog articles or wherever you are online. I have these videos that give away tons of value. You may even be watching like one of these videos right now in my blog, right? And so I have this video, it's giving high value, but check this out right below it. This may change, right? I have, hey, want to book more coaching clients? So I'm giving tons of value. I'm flipping the switch to their buying mindset, and then some people feel really inclined. They're like, hey, I want to work with this guy. I actually trust him now, and I believe that he'll be able to solve more of my problems. Another way to say it is you give them the first 3 steps for free, and then you sell them the rest. You demonstrate that you can help them by actually helping them, and this gets them to crave what you have to offer. Now look at this. I also have below that, if you don't want to work with me personally, you can get my free training. You can build your influencer and coaching movement with more free trainings. Hey, at the bottom, you want my blog updates, right? But the first thing that I do is I solve their problem. Here is that example in action. This is a really big one. This is Mark Lack. Mark Lack is a branding expert. And look at this, check this out. He gives away these free videos where it's like how to scale your personal brand for 13 minutes. And below that, he's like, hey, like you want to download my PDF? Hey, do you want to get in part of my accelerator membership program? Here's another example. Dan Henry. Dan Henry is like the digital marketing nephew of the new millennium, right? He's made millions of dollars in this space, and this is a perfect example. He sends people in his emails to his videos, and look, right below that, he's had, need more help? Book your free strategy session with our office today. He flips the switch to their buying mindset. Another way to say it is you give them the first 3 steps for free, and then you sell them the rest. It's good business because you're really helping people. Not everybody is going to buy your stuff. And that's the cool part, is that you get to educate a lot of people, and a certain percentage of those people, I think they said like 3%, I don't know, a certain percentage of those people are going to want to buy. Everybody benefits. You get to really impact people's lives, but you also get to get the income that gives you the freedom that you want, and you get to design and build the life of your dreams. It's a really, really good way to do business. Now that I've flipped the switch to your buying mindset, right? I gave you some value. Let me give you my offer, right? So just to show you this in action. So you might see like a little link below this video that says, hey, schedule your free breakthrough call with me today. On the call, we map out your vision and I teach you my push button method and I personalize it for you so we can use it with your business so you can start getting clients immediately, whether you work with me or not. I actually had this one lady who, her name is Jocelyn, and we had our call and she didn't work with me. And 2 weeks later, she's like, hey, I got this client. And then I'm like, great. And then she's like, yeah, I got like 2 or 3 more lined up after that. And I'm like, awesome. But no matter what, if you don't schedule a call with me, I hope you found this valuable. Now remember, somebody's life out there is dependent on you learning these skills. So don't delay, take action now. Spread your message and change the world. I'll see you next time.